Hello everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the channel where we turn ordinary houses into extraordinary homes. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are exploring the world of prefab tiny homes design, a revolutionary approach to modern living that blends efficiency, style, and sustainability. Prefabricated tiny homes are compact residential structures built off-site in factory-controlled settings before being transported and assembled on your chosen property. This design philosophy focuses on maximizing functional living space within a minimal footprint, utilizing smart layouts, integrated storage, and modern architectural techniques to create comfortable, fully featured homes. The benefits of opting for a prefab tiny home design go far beyond just saving floor space. Because these homes are manufactured indoors, the construction process is significantly faster, weather-independent, and remarkably cost-effective compared to traditional on-site builds. Factory manufacturing drastically reduces material waste and energy consumption, making prefab tiny homes an eco-friendly living solution. Furthermore, their compact nature means lower ongoing utility bills, reduced maintenance demands, and unprecedented flexibility, allowing homeowners to place a stylish dwelling in remote, scenic locations without extensive land disruption. Decorating the exterior of a prefab tiny home is all about creating strong visual harmony between the structure and its natural surroundings. Utilizing contrasting cladding materials, such as combining dark vertical metal panels with warm, natural wood accents, instantly adds depth and modern sophistication to a simple box silhouetted frame. Integrating built-in timber decks, low-profile outdoor seating, wall-mounted sconces, and ambient exterior lighting extends your functional living area outward. Framing the entryway with lush potted plants, native shrubbery, gravel pathways, or vertical gardens grounds the structure beautifully into the landscape. When it comes to architectural styling, prefab tiny homes offer incredible diversity to suit any personal taste. Modern Scandinavian minimalist designs feature clean lines, dramatic monopitch or A-frame roofs, neutral color palettes, and massive floor-to-ceiling glass panels that flood interiors with light. For those who prefer a rustic or cozy aesthetic, modern cabin styles incorporate rich wooden siding, exposed timber beams, and industrial metal roofing. Additionally, modular cubic designs provide an ultra-contemporary, geometric look that can be expanded over time by connecting multiple prefabricated pods. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's walk through the top 10 best prefab tiny homes design ideas and pull out the best design elements from each one that showcase the potential of this building method. One, modern monopitch forest retreat. This sleek, tiny home features dark horizontal siding, paired with warm wood accents along the entrance and roof overhang. Its angled monopitch roof creates high internal ceilings, while large picture windows invite natural light and frame stunning mountain vistas. 2. Minimalist glass cube pod. A sleek, industrial-inspired micro-home designed as an open-concept cube with an expansive glass front facade. The floor-to-ceiling glass panels showcase a minimalist interior complete with cozy lounge seating, warm ambient lighting, and an integrated sleeping loft. 3. Rustic cedar slat cabin. Constructed with vertical natural wood paneling, this compact home exudes warmth and organic appeal. A broad glass sliding door opens directly onto a low-profile wooden deck, seamlessly blending outdoor relaxation with indoor living. 4. Multi-level modular deck haven. An expansive modular design showcasing light wood cladding and multi-tiered outdoor decking. Integrated built-in benches, planted succulent beds, a vertical living green wall, and string lighting create an elevated backyard oasis. 5. Classic forest A-frame dwelling. Featuring a striking dark roof structure and a full front glass facade, this modern A-frame cabin blends cozy heritage architecture with contemporary design. The warm interior glow lights up the surrounding woodland environment. 6. Scandinavian black metal and timber barn. A dramatic geometric dwelling coated in black standing seam metal siding, framed by a deeply recessed front porch with natural timber lining. Oversized glass walls expose an open, airy living space anchored by an integrated stovepipe. 7. Modern gable country home. Featuring a dark, steep gable roof and a warm timber-clad exterior, this home incorporates floor-to-ceiling glass sliding doors and a wraparound wooden deck built directly around native trees to preserve the natural ecosystem. 8. Prairie Horizon monoslope cabin. Designed for open landscapes, this single-story structure uses horizontal wood siding complemented by dark corrugated metal lower trim. Broad windows and an elevated side deck offer sweeping views of the surrounding field. 9. Board and batten modern farmhouse. Crisp white vertical siding paired with a dark metal gable roof gives this tiny house a charming modern farmhouse look. A simple gray composite deck outfitted with classic rocking chairs creates an inviting front entrance. 10. Connected dual pod sanctuary. An innovative layout featuring 2 offset geometric pods joined by a central glass breezeway corridor. Dark exterior frames contrast against rich timber wall panels, creating separate functional zones for living and sleeping immersed in nature. Thank you for watching our showcase of the top prefab tiny home designs. Embracing a tiny home doesn't mean sacrificing luxury or functionality. It's about intentional living, smart engineering, and creating a breathtaking retreat tailored to your lifestyle. If you found these architectural ideas inspiring, please give this video a like, subscribe to Better Homes Designs, and click the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming tours and design breakdowns. Leave a comment down below letting us know which of these 10 designs was your absolute favorite.